Ready-to-use products might work well, but they add packaging, freight, and inventory cost to your cleaning program. Keep watching this video for a solution. State Chemical has been providing chemical solutions to businesses for over 100 years. We know that you need a solution that works, one that doesn't cause you extra time or confusion. State's One Solution 4+2 is intended to do just that, save you time and money. The One Solution 4+2 is a chemical dilution system that provides a one-step solution, reducing labor costs and increasing efficiency, simply by keeping chemicals in an easily accessible system. Why do I need a chemical dilution system? The ability to properly clean is dependent on the dilution of your chemical products. Concentrated products are more cost-effective than ready-to-use products, but it can lead to incorrect dilution, reducing the effectiveness of the product, or overusing and adding cost. Using a dilution system ensures that you will get the correct dilution every time. Besides increasing the efficiency of your cleaning program, the One Solution 4+2's closed-loop dispensing and safe packaging removes user contact with chemical concentrates, keeping employees safe from exposure to strong chemicals. To avoid liability and safety concerns from improper disinfection or sanitization, use a chemical dilution system such as the One Solution 4+2. What is a One Solution 4+2? The One Solution 4+2 turns highly concentrated products into ready-to-use specialty cleaner, sanitizer, or floor care product. It accurately mixes and dispenses the cleaning and sanitization products you need to ensure your maintenance program is as safe and cost-effective as it can be. Use this dispenser to fill 2 buckets with 2 separate products and add up to 4 spray bottle dispensing options. It includes pressure regulators and customizable dilution tips to guarantee products are mixed to fit your needs. Color-coded bottles and dilution tips simplify employee training and limit safety concerns. It also comes in other styles to solve your specific problems. How much does the One Solution 4+2 cost? To stock your One Solution system with State's high-strength products, your end-use cost will most likely be in this range for spray bottles and 5-gallon buckets. Pricing can vary depending on factors like location. And remember, when you're on an agreement with us, we handle installation, maintenance, and provide detailed monthly reports directly to you, all at no extra cost. Now that you've learned how State can streamline your cleaning program, visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in touch with a representative.